What's up, bosses? Welcome to episode number 27, where I share with you actionable micro lessons that you can use to help you grow your online business. In today's episode, I'm going to share with you exactly how to create your own online digital courses. And I'm going to show you a tool that I use to do it. But before we get started, make sure that you click on that subscribe button and click the little bell icon so that you get notifications every time I upload a brand new video. Go ahead, I'll wait. Okay. So before I get into sharing my screen with you, I wanted to go over 5 different types of courses that I actually learned from Amy Porterfield, who is the queen of creating online digital courses. So I think that once you understand these types of courses, it will be easier for you to create your own course. So I'm going to be looking here because I have my notes right here on my laptop. So I'm going to be kind of looking back and forth. Let's go over the 5 and then I'm going to transition into my laptop. Number 1 is the workshop course. And she says, this is for newbies. It shouldn't be more than 2 hours long, either live or pre-recorded, that promises clarity or results. It's a paid program, not a free program. It addresses an immediate problem that is keeping your audience stuck, and it moves them into working with you on a bigger capacity, for example, joining your program, whatever program that you have. And you can charge up to $50. So I think anywhere between $20 and $50 is a good starting point for the workshop style course. Number 2, the starter course. And this one actually helps your students get started in whatever expertise you are in. So, or I should say, whatever expertise you have that you want to share, the starter course is a great place to get that going. It helps them kickstart their momentum, meaning your students' momentum. It dives a little deeper than a workshop, and you can charge more. So that's the great part. And you can charge anywhere between $50 to $100. The next one is the Spotlight course. And the Spotlight course is your complete comprehensive system. It's the most in-depth course you have. It's very specific, and it can lead to a big transformation for your students. It's basically your framework. So however you run your business, that is what you call a signature course. So with the signature course, you can kind of steer away from doing one-on-one coaching if you don't like doing one-on-one coaching, to bringing your students now into doing, let's say, a group coaching program with a signature course. Now here's the thing, a signature course requires a lot of work. It can take you up to 90 days to actually create a full blown out signature course. But the good news is that you can charge anywhere between $500 and $2,000. And finally, number 5 is the certification program. Now, this certification program, your process, whatever your process is inside of your business, it's a very detailed way where your audience can now go out and learn from you, get certified, and then go out there and teach it to other people. I'm going to give you an example. Back in 2005 or 6, I got certified as a certified raw food coach. I actually got certified from someone who got certified from the person that created the certification program. So with this type of course, you can charge, you ready for it? Anywhere over $2,000 for this certification course. So you're basically, it's almost like a little mini franchise, because you're allowing people to basically take your whole business model and go out there and create their own and use it for themselves inside of their business. So this is what you call a certification course. So what qualifies me to share this information with you? Well, I have 3 courses under my belt. In total, they have earned me over $500,000 in commission, and I've been creating courses since 2016. So I think I know a little something about creating courses. Now that you know what the 5 types of courses are, let's transition over to my screen, and I'm going to show you the tool that I use to build all of my courses. Okay, so now I'm going to take you on a little walkthrough of ClickFunnels and how easy it is to create an online digital course. So when you're in here, you're going to have 2 options. You can start with a cookbook, and they give you all different types of templates to choose from. or you can create a new funnel. So because we're creating a brand new funnel specifically for this video, and it is for a course, we're gonna choose this one, create a new funnel. Then you're gonna see 3 options here, and obviously we want to sell a product. So we click product, and then we need to figure out what do we wanna do. So in this case, we want to create a membership site because that's where our course is going to be. So we're gonna click that and we'll name it. So I'm just gonna put test funnel just for the purpose of this video. I'll call it test funnel course. And then I'll just put it under test. And then we'll click build. Okay, you are going to see your course right inside of here. So you can see your course membership access and your course members area. So with the members access, this is the pages that you get to choose from. They're already designed. All you need to do is go in there and add your color scheme, your logo, your words, you know, all of that kind of stuff. And then what you'll do is you'll just choose a template. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, for example, because this is actually my template that I use for my Profit with Challenges course. So you can see here, if you want to go in and edit it, you just click edit page. And I'll show you how easy it is to basically edit this page. So it's already designed, you know, the form is already there for your members to sign up for your program. And all you need to do is click this little icon here and just add your image here. Okay, so you would just upload your image there. Same thing with all the sections here. You take, you know, you can change the font, change the colors, you type here and you start typing the words, you get a little editor and all that kind of stuff, okay? You can put your footer at the bottom with your, with links wherever you want them to go and all of that, all the fancy bells and whistles, right? And so now we have, that was it, right? So now we created the front door for people to get access to. And of course, this is after they purchase it. So there's other pages that you need to add to this funnel, and we'll talk about that in a second because they need to purchase it, right? So they'll be able to purchase it through this funnel. So I'm gonna click on members area because this is this place where they are redirected to after they fill out that form. And this is where your course content is. So we'll have to choose a template here as well. So I'm just going to choose, let's say, I'll choose this template right here. Okay, so there it is. So now you can see that you have your first lesson there. Okay, you can go in here and you can rename the first lesson. Okay, so let's say module 1. Okay, I'll name it because this is actually one of my modules. So I'm gonna click update and you see that it changed there. Okay, and then if you want to go in here and edit this lesson, you just click on edit and then you can name it whatever you want to name it, right? You could put a delay so you can drip it. You can do all that kind of stuff. And then here is where you add the content. So this can be PDF downloads, it can be videos, it can be whatever you want. Now the template comes with 3 download, links, but if you don't want them, you could just basically delete them. So let's say I wanted to delete all of that and just add my video. So I'm gonna hover over this, click the plus sign, full width, and then I'm going to add 1 column, and then I'm going to add my video module. And there goes my video module. Okay, and again, you can build this and design it however you want. So click save and I'm done. And now I could actually click this video box and then just choose either a YouTube video, a Vimeo, and all that kind of stuff. Right now, me personally, I don't have any of my courses on YouTube. I have all my courses sitting on Vimeo and I pay a premium for that, but it's not expensive. It's like, I don't know, 12 or 13 bucks a month. And I hide it from Vimeo so that it's set to private and nobody could get access to my videos. So now when I want to add let's say a new lesson into this module, I click add a new lesson, or if I want to add a brand new module, I click add new lesson section. So once I'm done adding my content to it, now we can look to see what it looks like in the back office. So this will take us into the editing section, and now we can go here And you can actually edit what this page, this is the actual page that your customers or students will see. So you can add different sections to it. So if I wanted to add, let's say 3 columns or something like that, and add some more courses down here that they can purchase or something like that, I can do that as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and click save, and we are going to preview it. And this is exactly what your membership site will look like inside of ClickFunnels. So now you're probably thinking, well, how do I add the shopping cart to it? And how do I create a funnel for my membership site? Well, you can click here, add a new step, and then name it, let's say opt-in form. And then you could put whatever you're gonna name it here, opt-in form. And just like the other steps, you get some templates. So you can create whatever kind of template you want for your opt-in form, okay? So let's say, for example, I wanted this one for my opt-in form. I just click select form and it adds it right there. And now I can just click edit and go inside and design that page the way I want it to. I can add my autoresponder to it. I can add my logo, change the colors, add a video, or whatever it is that I want. But we will have to bring it up on top because that will be the first page. So we just drag it up, and that's how you do it. Now, if I wanted to add an order form to it, I'd follow the same process. Okay, so we're gonna choose order form. And so now with the order form, you're gonna have to go under sales and click on order form and pull up one of those templates. So let's say, for example, I'll use mine for Profit with Challenges because I had to actually save that as a template. So we're gonna load that in. And now you can, once again, click on edit and go in there and edit the page. Then you can drag it right up on top or, move it wherever you want, and just keep building the page like that. And now you need an order confirmation page. So again, you click add new step. We'll call this order confirmation page. Just copy that here. Click create funnel. And we will have to go under sales and click order confirmation page. And then you're going to see the templates. And you can choose, whatever template you want. You can design your own template, however you want to do it. I'm just going to choose the one that I already created. And there it is. So now I can add it here. So this order confirmation page must always go after the order form, because after they purchase, they need to go to somewhere so that they'll be able to get access to the actual membership site. But now you're like, okay, well, how do I add a merchant account to this? Well, it's really simple. So what you do is you click on your little icon up here on the right-hand side, click on account settings, and then just simply go down to payment gateways, and then you'll add your Stripe account. So it says here, add new payment gateway, and then you will choose whatever gateway you want to use. I use Stripe. You can use PayPal, you can use, JVZoo, ClickBank, whatever it is that you want to use. I use Stripe, and Stripe is a free account. It kind of works like PayPal, but 100 times better. I absolutely love Stripe, and that's my choice of payment gateway. So you would just choose Stripe, and then you would add your username and password for Stripe, and then it will automatically link it to your account. And then you'll see it show up right here, and you're good to go. So then what you do is you go back to your funnel and you click on the order form, and this is where you add your product that you're selling to the order form. So let's click that, and you'll see here it says add product, and you see your Stripe account will be here, or whatever payment gateway you chose. So click your payment gateway and then scroll down and choose, is it going to be a subscription? Is it going to be a payment plan? Is it going to be a one-time purchase? What is it going to be? I'm going to choose one-time purchase and click save. Okay, then you name it. So name of product here. Okay, and then you put the price. Let's say you were selling it for, let's say, $197 course. Okay, and then you go here and say, I want it to display as $197 with the $sign. And you go here and you put the product description. You can just put course or whatever you want. And then you go down here and click save next. And now you can start filling out these, little forms. It will take you through the questionnaire form for you to fill out. So you can set an email to go out. It's a fulfillment email, you can turn that on so that this way when someone purchases, they get this email from you. Down here, you can attach it to your membership site. So in this example, I created the test one, so that's the one that I am going to attach it to. Click and save next. You can add an autoresponder to it. So if you want to add them to your autoresponder, you just click OK. In my case, it would be AWeber. And then you would choose your autoresponder there. I'm gonna go ahead and click next. If you are mailing a physical product to someone, then you would choose this and ask for a shipping address. But I'm gonna go ahead and click save and next. Do you want to add a commission plan to this, right? Do you want to have affiliates for your course? If you do, click yes. And then choose your plan. Now, of course, you're gonna have to create this plan first, which I'm not gonna show you how to do in this video, but you'll have to create the plan first. And then you click save next. And you'll see everything right here, and you can always go inside and you'll see everything right here. If you need to make some edits, you just click the edit button. So everything is all set up with this course. And you can see my course is right here for $197. If I wanted to add a payment plan, I would do the same exact thing, but this time I would have to go into Stripe, create the payment plan first, and then come back here and create, add my product and attach it to that payment plan. And again, I'm not gonna get into how to do that in this video because ClickFunnels has a ton of tutorials and a great customer service, and they can help you figure that out. So that is the basics of creating your own digital course with ClickFunnels. Isn't that tool amazing? I'm telling you, ClickFunnels makes my life so much easier because I literally use it for all of my funnels inside of my business. But not only my funnels, of course, I use it for my membership sites, my programs, my affiliate programs, everything, my funnels with tripwires in it, upsells, downsells, all the fancy bells and whistles. And it's drag and drop technology, and I absolutely love it. So if you want to get your hands on ClickFunnels, I put a link in the description down below this video. And yes, it is an affiliate program, so I will make some affiliate commissions if you buy through my link. I'm also going to include a link to the autoresponder that I use, which is AWeber, and you can go and check that out as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I always enjoy making these videos for you and putting this content together for you each and every week. What I want to share with you now is a way for you to discover my methods that I actually use inside of my business, and I have several of them. So go ahead and click that link right below this video to discover my foolproof methods that will help you create results inside of your business. I will see you over there. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next episode.